Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at making this landing gear assembly. This is for a nose wheel here, and this is going to be a 6-part series. I'm going to show you how to model each one of these parts, and each segment should be anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes long to do. And then the final segment of this will be an assembly, and I'll show you how to put all this stuff together and how to make the motion with this stuff here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to show you first how to do the lower link, and I'll show you what the lower link is here. Turn all this stuff off. Okay, and that lower link, we're going to make this today. So let's go ahead and get started here. Going to do this on the front plane here. Turn the origin back on so I can see it, and click this, because this is the plane I want to sketch on, and create sketch. Use the line tool, L for line. Want this line to be 10 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw another line here. And I want this line from this line here to be 180 millimeters. So I'll come up here to this. Like that, that. And I want this to be 180. And I want this line to be 30 millimeters long. And building this assembly is all parametric modeling. And now I want to draw another line. $15. Right now, this is just an approximation. And I want a line from here, 30 millimeters long. And I want a line from the bottom up here, 15 millimeters. Actually, I'm going to do one here first. And I want this 30. Up here, 15. delete this line here, don't need it. And trim this line here, I don't need this bottom half here. So T for trim, click that line, deletes that. And what I'm going to do here, cancel this and delete this line here. And draw a line from here to here. Okay, here are our dimensions for this. This is 15 also. So we have this line 15, this line is 30, 15, 30. Overall length is 180, this line is 10. Now, I'm going to draw a line here. And this is an approximation. Now I want these two lines to be parallel, so I come up here, parallel, click this. Now those lines are parallel. Click OK. Draw another line here. I want the distance from this line to this line to be 70. It moved the wrong one. Go back. Okay, just deleted that so I can do it again. Don't want that, so I'll do the front one first. Go ahead and delete this, or I don't need to, just go back. Then delete this. So the front one, 20 millimeters between here and here. Okay. I need to add a constraint here. So what to do that? I'll just give it a measurement. And I want this to be 30 also. Enter. Now, this line is constrained, so it shouldn't move anymore. And I want this line here to be 20. But first, I'm going to have to remove this constraint here. And now, this line, I want this to be 20. And the back line, 70. From here to here, I want this to be 70. Okay. Now we have all our dimensions in here. And what I'm going to do now is mirror all of this. And click OK. And this is what we have. Go ahead and finish sketch. And E for extrude. This profile here. And I want the thickness to be 25 millimeters. New body, click OK. We have that. Now on the top here, I want to create a sketch up here. I don't want to create sketches yet. I want to go ahead and add the roundness on these right here. So what we can do there to make those round is use a fillet. So come up here to fillet, click that. Click this edge, hold shift down and click these other edges. And I want those to be 12.5. And click OK. Turn the origin off. Sorry guys, this video is just going over 10 minutes. I wanted this to be sort of short, but no worries. Okay. Now to put the holes in the top, like here, these holes here. Want to create a sketch on this plane here. Create sketch. And I want to use this as a center. And the holes are 15 millimeters. So select this. Click enter. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now I don't like this. Let me go back here. Delete this line here. Move this more this way. Go back to that sketch. Just changing this sketch around just a little. There, that's a little better. Okay, now this plane here, create a sketch on it. And this is 15 also. All right, go ahead and finish sketch. And what I want to do now is extrude this here. Set this to cut. Click OK. Extrude again. This. Set this to cut. Down. Click OK. OK. Here's that part. Still not done yet. Now we need to add some fillets to it. And select 1 millimeter. And what I did is just selected the faces, so it did all of them at the same time. And go ahead and click OK. Okay. This is the part now. Now what I want to do is just add a fillet in here also. So click fillet. Select this line. This line. And want this to be 1 millimeter. Click OK. And same here. Fillet. This line. And want it to be 1 millimeter. And click OK. OK. And that is our first part, the lower link. So now we just come over here and change this to lower link. And that is the first part. Turn the bodies off here so you can see the sketch. Okay, and that is the sketch there. And if you want to see the dimensions, go back to Edit Sketch. And there you have the dimensions. So if you guys are doing this, go ahead and take a screenshot of this to get your dimensions that you want to use. And yeah. But anyway, I'll finish sketch again, turn bodies back on, sketch is off, and there we have that. But anyway, that is going to do it for this video. I'm sorry this went over a little, but like I said, I wanted to make the videos 5 to 10 minutes long, and this one just went over a little. I had a little trouble with this, but no really big deal about it. But anyway, just take those dimensions and sketch that profile any way you feel you want to. And if you like this this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like the little series of this assembly, landing gear assembly, go ahead and hit that like button as well. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, I invite you to join my Patreon site and my Facebook group, both called Cat Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.